What is up, everyone? Dev Moody here, but you can call me Dev. And as you can see, or as you can tell, I'm kind of sick, but I'm still making the video for you guys. And I'm sorry I haven't made a video in a long time. But I'm here now, and in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys a new game that I got from GameStop. And when I went to the store, they didn't have it in stock, so I was like pretty mad. But I ordered it online, and it was supposed to come in like a couple days, and it's here now. So the game is Dinosaur King, and here is that's my address right here. So I'm gonna cover that up. Well, it don't really matter because obviously no one's gonna stalk me or anything, because no reason. But anyway, as you can tell, it says GameStop.com right there. GameStop.com returns, from Grapevine, Texas. So came from Texas all the way here in a couple days. So yeah, it's pretty light, but the game is just right there. So that little spot it's like right there. All this is just extra. So I don't know why they did that, but they did. So yeah. But anyway, and you just saw my address. Whatever, it don't really matter. It doesn't really matter. So if I can actually find a place to open this. Okay, I found one place to open it. Alright, so I don't even really need the knife, so okay, so first off we have documentation. GameStop, as you can tell, Dinosaur King right there. Price was $20. So yeah, it's a pretty good game. If you haven't watched the television show, it's on Netflix. You should go watch it. It's pretty good. It's just about it's just about how it's about oh my bad. it's about a team called the D team. It's like two guys and a girl. So Max, and the other guy's name is Rex. I think Max, Rex, and Zoe, and all three of them they go around the world looking for dinosaur cards and eggs and all that dinosaur cards, so they can add to the collection to save them. While the Alpha gang members try to use the they try to use the dinosaurs for their own purpose, to conquer the world and all that. So yeah, the Alpha team is basically the bad guys, and the D team is basically the good guys trying to save the dinosaurs. It's a pretty good show. Each show is about different dinosaurs, and if it's like you can see the little sliver right there, the little plastic, and then you can see the game right there. So yeah, it's just basically that. In each episode, whoa, so much brightness. In each episode, it's better. There's a movie going on in the background if you guys can hear that, and someone's home. So anyway, in each episode there's like different dinosaurs being found. So if it's like a water type, like a Spinosaurus water type, then if the card falls in the water, it's gonna get activated, and then dinosaur pops up. If it's like a Tyrannosaurus Rex, so the Tyrannosaurus Rex, the Spinosaurus name was Spiny. The Alpha member has that, and also the Tyrannosaurus Rex, his name is Terry. And that also and it's fire, so when it falls in like a campfire, then it will get activated. Or you can swipe it too on the little dino shooter. I forgot what it's called, but we used to call it dino shooters like way back when I was like really little. But because this came out like 2007, so it came out 10 years ago. So it's like been a decade already, and I don't think no one even has this game anymore. That's why I had to order it online, because they don't really have it in stock, because they don't really think it's because GameStop is whoever sells it to them. and no one really has the game, so no one really sells it anymore. So anyway, the main character, I think his name is Max. Max has a Triceratops named a Chomp. It's lightning, and then Rex has a Carnotaurus, and the Carnotaurus is wind. So yeah, it's wind. And then Zoe has I forgot, I think it's Parasaurolophus, I think, and her name is Paris. Her name is the dinosaur's name is Paris. Oh, I forgot. So the Carnotaur. Okay, so there's Rex. I mean, no. Okay, my bad. Max has a Triceratops lightning type named Chomp. Rex has a Carnotaurus wind type named Ace, and Zoe has the Parasaurolophus named Paris, and it's a type grass type. So anyway, that was it. Basically, you get to pick. It's pretty like sexist kind of, because you can only be Max or Rex. You cannot be Zoe in this game. So for girls that's trying to play this game, I mean, it's kind of bummer for them. Maybe that's why I got discontinued. But anyway, I'm probably gonna be Rex because I don't want to have a Triceratops. I want a Carnotaurus better because I like them better. Anyway, this is the game. So, Dinosaur King Sega, and yeah, this is the game right here, and I'm probably gonna make little videos. I'm kind of happy that it didn't come in like a case, because I have like my Nintendo DS and then little slots for each of my games so you can just put in there. Can you get my DS? It's probably like right. Yeah, it's probably in my black bag on the floor. Perfect. All right, so we're gonna boot it up. I'm gonna put in the DS. Can you close it? Close. All right, so this is my Nintendo DS, and can you record? Can you record? Alright, so this is where I have all my games. This is Pokemon Blue, and then I have these games, Spy Hunter and Super Sprint, and then I have Desert Strike Advance and Dragon Ball Z: The Legacy of Goku Part 2, and then Pokemon Blue, obviously, and then over here I have Metroid. I have Spider-Man 2, and then this is pretty beaten up, but it's a Spider-Man game. And then obviously my new game, Dinosaur King. So this is gonna be over here. Second would be my Metroid game. Metroid. And then Spider-Man. I like Spider-Man 2 better. And then my other Spider-Man. This is pretty. These cartridges are pretty light, actually. So I mean, you can't really tell if it has anything on it. That made no sense, but whatever. Anyway, this video is running too long, so I'm going to end it. But I will make more videos of gameplay, possibly, of my Nintendo DS game. So thank you guys for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and there's my DS. And until my next video, I will see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.